we can recognize the type of the parabola and we can write the general equation of the parabola. So when you multiply 4, this becomes minus 16x. So this is the equation of the given parabola. X square is equal to minus 4ay. So when you substitute it, it is x square is equal to minus 20y. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So in our previous session, we have learned how to write the characteristics of a given parabola or how to write the equation of a parabola whenever the characteristics are given. So here also in this session, we'll continue the same, writing the characteristics of a parabola whenever the equation is given, or to write the equation of a parabola when the characteristics are given. So let us look at it now. So we are across the type 3 problems. So here I said they'll give any two characteristics to form an equation. Finding the equation of parabola when vertex and directrix are given. So they'll give you the directrix. So we know the directrix contains the value a. So since the equation of the parabola contains the value a, we can write what kind of parabola we can write. So they have given vertex is 0, 0. That means the parabola cuts at origin. And directrix is y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 means it is the equation of the line parallel to x-axis. And if this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis, so y is equal to 6 will be parallel to x-axis. That is, it is at a distance of 6 from the origin, we can say. So therefore, y is equal to 6 means a is equal to 6. Also, we can see the vertex is 0, 0. So if the directrix is like this, then the parabola must be of this kind. So therefore, it must be a downward parabola. What is the general equation of the downward parabola? We write it as x square is equal to minus 4ay. Now we know the value of a here. So substitute the value of a here. It is, therefore the equation become x square is equal to minus 24y. So this is the equation of the given parabola. Next question. Vertex is 0, 0. Directrix is x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 means this is the y, this is x. So x is equal to minus 3 and it is at a distance of minus 3 which is parallel to y-axis. So this is the directrix. If this is the directrix, vertex is given here. So the parabola will be like this. It is a right-handed parabola. So directrix x is given as minus 3. That means x is equal to minus a. So which is equal to minus 3. This implies a value is 3. So therefore, we have got the right-handed parabola. What is the general equation of the right-handed parabola? It is y square is equal to 4ax. This implies the general equation is 4 into 3 which is 12x. So this is the equation of the parabola. Next question. Vertex is given. Directrix is x is equal to 4. So if this is x and y axis, x is equal to 4 is a line parallel to y-axis at the positive side of the x-axis. Vertex is 0, 0. So my parabola will be like this. It is left-handed parabola. So x is equal to 4. It is nothing but x is equal to some a. So this implies what? A is equal to 4. So therefore, general equation is y square is equal to minus 4ax. So when you multiply 4, this becomes minus 16x. So this is the equation of the given parabola. Next question. Vertex is at origin. Directrix is y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. If this is x-axis, y-axis, y is equal to minus 3 is a straight line which is parallel to x-axis. That means my directrix lies at the negative side of the y-axis and my parabola will be upward. So what is the general equation of the upward parabola? It is x square is equal to 4ay. Now I need to check out for a. So here I have y is equal to minus a in general, which is nothing but a. Therefore, the value of a will become 3. So multiply 3 here, it is 12y. So therefore, x square is equal to 12y is the required equation of the parabola. So this is how we can calculate the equation of the parabola. Next, we have type 4 question. Find the equation of parabola when focus and directrix are given. Again, whenever the focus or a directrix is given, I can find the value of A, and by looking at the equation of the line or the focus value, whether they have given X or Y and on which axis the point lies, we can recognize the type of the parabola and we can write the general equation of the parabola. So here in the first case they have given focus is equal to 4, 0. That means my focus lies in this point. So this is my 4, 0 and directrix is x is equal to minus 4. So this is the line x is equal to minus 4. So clearly the equation says my parabola is right-handed. So therefore, what is the general equation of the right-handed parabola? It is y square is equal to 4ax. Now, according to the given condition, we can write a is equal to 4. So therefore, the equation of the parabola is 16x. Next question. Focus is minus 5, 0 and directrix is x is equal to 5. So focus is given minus 5, 0. If this is my x-axis and y-axis and this is the vertex, that is origin we can consider, focus is somewhere minus 5, 0. If here is my focus, my curve will be like this. And the directrix will be at a distance of x is equal to 5. So from this observation, what we can conclude, the value of a will be 5. So therefore, the general equation of the left-handed parabola will be y square is equal to minus 4ax. Since we know the value of a is 5, this implies y square is equal to minus 20x. So this is the equation of the parabola. Next question. Focus is 0, 3. Directrix is y is equal to minus 3. So if this is my x-axis and y-axis, y is equal to minus 3 will be the line parallel to x-axis and focus is at a distance 0, 3. So this shows my parabola is upward parabola, and from the observation we can write the value of a as 3. So if a is equal to 3, therefore the general equation of this type, that is upward parabola, is x square is equal to 4ay. So this implies x square is equal to 12y. So this is the equation of the required parabola. Next question. So focus is 0, minus 5. Directrix is y is equal to 5. So clearly we can write a directrix is a y is equal to 5. It's a parallel line to x-axis and focus is 0, minus 5. So my parabola will be a downward parabola. So from the observation, what I can conclude, a is equal to 5 because this is at a distance of 5 and this is also distance 5. So a will be 5. What is the general equation of the downward parabola? It is x square is equal to minus 4ay. So when you substitute it, it is x square is equal to minus 20y. So this is the general or required equation of the parabola. So next question we have, focus is minus 4, 0 and directrix is x is equal to 4. So clearly we have focus somewhere here on the point minus 4, 0. Directrix is here, x is equal to 4. It is a straight line parallel to y-axis. So therefore my parabola will be left-handed parabola. So therefore, by the observation, what we can write? A is equal to 4. Hence, the general equation becomes y square is equal to minus 4ax. So this implies y square is equal to minus 16x. So this is the equation of the required parabola. So the next one is focus is 1, 0 and directrix is x is equal to minus 1. This is x-axis and y-axis. Focus is 1, 0 and directrix is x is equal to minus 1. Again, this will be the right-handed parabola. From these observation, we can write the value of a is 1. So therefore, y square is equal to 4ax. This implies y square is equal to 4x. So this is the required equation of the parabola. So next type of questions I have here is find the equation of the parabola if the vertex and axes of parabola are given. So axis means whether if it is axis of parabola is x-axis, then it might be a right-handed or left-handed parabola. If the axis of parabola is y-axis, then it must be a upward or a downward parabola. So here we have two chances. So we have to verify and write the particular solution for this. Vertex is the origin and passing through the point P3, minus 4 and symmetric about y-axis. So clearly given symmetric about the y-axis means I have two chances. One is the curve may be upward or the curve may be downward. Maybe it might be upward parabola or downward parabola. But they are also given that the parabola passes through the point 3, minus 4. Where does the point 3, minus 4 represents? So 3 means positive, y is minus 4 means somewhere let it be 3, minus 4. So clearly this point, which is that point? P3, minus 4 lies on 4th quadrant. And given what? And the curve is symmetric about y-axis. So y-axis means we have only two cases, one is upward or downward. So clearly we can understood from this point, that is the given parabola is a downward parabola. So therefore it is downward parabola. So therefore what is the general equation of the downward parabola? It is x square is equal to minus 4ay. But I doesn't know the value of a, but they have given the curve passes through P3, minus 4. So since parabola passes through point 3, minus 4, x square is equal to minus 4ay implies x can be taken as 3 square is equal to minus 4a into minus 4. So this implies 9 is equal to 16a. A is equal to 9 divided by 16. So this is the value of a now. So therefore, the equation of the parabola is, what is the general equation? X square is equal to minus 4ay. This is x square is equal to minus 4 into a is 9 by 16 into 5. Y cancels 4 4s, which is minus 9 by 4y. Or you can write this as 4x square is equal to minus 9y. Or you can also write this as 4x square plus 9y is equal to 0, which will be the general equation. Next question. Vertex at the origin, axis along x-axis and passing through the point P2, 3. So Here, axis along x-axis means we have two choices. So, if this is the axis, it might be a left or a right-handed parabola. But the parabola is passing through the point 2, 3. Where is the point 2, 3 lies? Somewhere in the first quadrant. So, since axis of parabola is x-axis and point P2, 3 lies in first quadrant. This implies it is right-handed parabola. So therefore, what is the general equation of the right-handed parabola? So therefore, it is of the form y square is equal to 4ax. But I doesn't know the value of a. I can find the value of a now. Now since parabola passes through P2, 3, y square is equal to 4ax implies 3 square is equal to 4a into 2, which is 8a. So here 9 is equal to 8a. A is equal to 9 by 8. So therefore, the equation is y square is equal to 4 into 9 by 8 into x. So cancels, you will get 2. So y square is equal to 9 by 2x, or you can write this as 2y square is equal to 9x. So this is the equation of the required parabola. Or you can write this as 2y square minus 9x is equal to 0 also. So any of this kind is valid. Next question. Vertex at the origin and passing through the point 2, minus 3, and which is symmetric about the y-axis. So, symmetric about the y-axis means it must be an upward parabola or a downward parabola. And look at the point P2, minus 3. X is positive, y is negative. That means it lies in the fourth quadrant. So, by these two observations, what we can write? It is downward parabola. So therefore, it is of the form x square is equal to minus 4ay. Minus 4ay. Now since it passes through P2, minus 3. What I can write here? So x square is equal to minus 4ay means 2 square is equal to minus 4a into minus 3, which is 12a. Or here 4 by 12 is equal to a, which is 1 by 3. Now the value of a is 3. So therefore, the required equation is x square is equal to minus 4 into 1 by 3y. Or if you multiply this, this is 3x square is equal to minus 4y. Or you can write this as 3x square plus 4y is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the given parabola. So the next question, vertex at the origin, axis is y-axis and passes through 1 by 2. So axis is y-axis means a downward or an upward parabola. Passes through the point 1 by 2, 2 means 1 by 2, 2 lies in first quadrant. So then where does the parabola touches? It must touch at the first quadrant. First quadrant means clearly we can say it is upward parabola. So if it is upward parabola means that is it takes the form of x square is equal to 4ay. Now since it passes through the point 1 by 2 comma 2. I can write this as 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 4a into 2. So this implies 1 by 4 is equal to 8a, or a is equal to 1 divided by 32. So this is the value of a now. Now let us substitute in the equation. So therefore the equation is x square is equal to 4 into 1 by 32y. So when you cancels, it is 8, cross multiply, this implies 8x square is equal to y, or 8x square minus y is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the parabola. Next question. Vertex is 0, 0, axis is y-axis and passes through -1, -3. So -1, -3 means where does it touches? It touches at the third quadrant. So if it must be at the third quadrant, and the axis y means it must be an upward or downward. An upward cannot touch the point at the third quadrant. The only possibility is it is a downward parabola. So it is downward parabola. So that is, the general equation is x square is equal to -4ay. And given it passes through -1, -3, since it passes through -1, -3, so we have -1 whole square is equal to -4a into -3, which is 1 is equal to 12a, or a is equal to 1 by 12 now. So let us substitute the value of a in general equation. So therefore the equation is x square is equal to -4 into 1 by 12 into y. So cancel this. This is 3. So you will get this as 3x square is equal to -y, or 3x square plus y is equal to 0. So this is how we can calculate the required equation of the parabola whenever the axis of symmetry and the vertex is given. So by this we are concluding the chapter parabola. You will get 1 2 marks question and 1 3 marks question from the chapter parabola. So either you're supposed to write the characteristics whenever the equation are given, or writing the equation whenever the characteristics are given. So these are the two problems you have to work out. We'll meet you in the next session with the new chapter. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.